never thought the death note I gave you would end up buried and abandoned.
I'd like to be the one to recommend you. Somebody has to do this!
This is not over yet.
Why do you keep checking your watch?
Just watch me, El. I'll solve equations with my right hand and write names with my left. I'll take a potato chip and eat it. Kill me right here. Can create a new world.
Is this really what you want, Light?
What are you talking about?
We will catch Kira and arrest him.
This whole thing's completely pointless. Because I'm Kira. I think it's about time. I'm going to show you the creation of a new world.